Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you are. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can take a shape and turn it into a cube. Press Command N on the keyboard to bring out the new document. I made it 7,700 pixels by 700 pixels. Pick the shape tool, or pick the stars tool, and by pressing up and down arrow keys, you can adjust the points to make it more points or less points. As you can see here, I press down 3 times to make it into like a triangle-ish type shape. A on the keyboard to bring up the angle selection tool, select the 3 points in the middle. As you can see, you can edit or move the object. Then you select each point individually, and using the guides, you move it into the center to create the middle of the cuboid or six-sided die or shape, whatever you want to call it. And then what I've done here is I couldn't select the segment tool, so instead I've used the paintbrush tool to draw a vertical line, and by pressing the shift key you can make a straight line. This hasn't worked. It wouldn't work because depending if you draw the line straight or not, you end up with various angles, as you can see here. And if you don't hold the shift key, it doesn't connect the points correctly. So instead, I've used the line segment tool. Select the midpoint and connected the shapes. Select both of these shapes. This is useful for things like perspective, or if you wanted to make a cube repeating pattern, you can group all these objects together. Or if you wanted to make an arrow, or you wanted to use it to make boxes for figures, or even for sculpture or carpentry work to like plan out how you would make an object, or even for architecture in fact. And then once you select these 2 shapes, copy, paste, transform, and use the line segment tool to make the top 2 shapes, and there you have it, a cuboid rectangular box looking shape that Rubik's Cube basically.